That ticking sound under your hood is probably not your imagination. It's often caused by a broken rocker arm. Watch the video to find out the typical symptoms of a failing rocker arm and how much repair or replacement will cost. But just before we start, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. What is a rocker arm? Usually, rocker arms are situated between the intake and exhaust valves and the pushrod. They are pushed and pulled by pushrods to rock up and down, opening and closing the combustion chamber's intake and exhaust valves. The crankshaft drives the camshaft below the pushrods, which moves up and down. In this manner, power can be transferred from the engine's combustion chamber to the wheels and propel the car forward. The cylinder linked to the malfunctioning rocker arm will be disabled, and the intake and exhaust valves will not operate properly if the rocker arms are broken or loose. In the end, this will reduce your engine's performance and your ability to maneuver the vehicle safely and smoothly. Symptoms of a bad rocker arm: clicking or ticking noises. Strange noises coming from valves frequently have a quick clicking or ticking sound, kind of like a sewing machine. If you hear this noise, you should examine the rocker arms and surrounding components while the engine is running. The valves may become stuck or ineffectively open and close due to malfunctioning rocker arms. Strange noises in the combustion chamber and surrounding areas could also be caused by a variety of other things, including worn camshaft lobes, warped valve, and inadequate lubrication between moving parts. If visual inspection indicates that the rocker arms are functioning properly, the next step in resolving the issue is to perform some troubleshooting on your own or with the assistance of a mechanic. Check engine light on. The car will also detect poor engine performance and alert the driver by turning on the check engine light. You should never disregard this signal. To find out whether there are any stored codes, you should use a diagnostic scanner. Some examples of rocker arm-related DTC codes include P2646, 2647, and P2662. Weak engine performance or stalling. An internal combustion engine that runs smoothly depends on precise timing. Valves must open and close at precisely the right times for optimal efficiency. Should the car's malfunctioning rocker arm obstruct this mechanism, you will experience reduced power and subpar acceleration. In extreme circumstances, the engine may stall while you're driving. Until the damaged part is replaced, eventually the car won't even start. Physical deterioration. Any wear or cracks in the rocker arms can also be seen by visual inspection. Look for metal fragments beneath the rocker arms after removing the valve cover. When these fragments are worn down, they can grind on the pivot point and valves. Even in the absence of any other symptoms, degraded rocker arms should be replaced because issues will eventually arise. Replacement and repair cost. The price of a single rocker arm varies from $15 to $60 based on the car and if it's an intake or exhaust rocker arm. If you are confident that you can replace the arm yourself, rocker arm kits, which usually range in price from $100 to $500, may be a better option. They include other necessary parts like guide plates and pushrods. It would be wise to replace the rocker arms all at once because they frequently break at the same time. As a result, the complete kits are the most popular choice. It can take a long time to repair a rocker arm, so hiring a mechanic or dealership to do the work is not cheap. Depending on the car, budget between $500 and $1,500, parts plus labor. Labor costs account for a significant portion of the cost because obtaining the required parts can be time-consuming. The total may go up due to taxes and fees. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.